How to join Lyft Black. Hello everyone, I am Shaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to join Lyft Black. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. In order to join Lyft Black, drivers must have at least a 4.85 rating after they have completed 50 rides to give Black rides. If your rating falls below 4.85, you will need to bring it back up with other ride types before you can get Black rides. To qualify for Black or Black SUV rides, you must drive in a city where Black or Black SUV is available. Also, drive a Black 2018 or newer qualifying vehicle. Note that drivers using Lyft Black in Boston, Atlanta, Orlando, and Chicago must be professional drivers with commercial auto insurance and have all permits required by their city to operate a commercial livery vehicle in their area. Personal auto insurance does not qualify. So, this is how you can join Lyft Black. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.